So you want to know how you can use aloe to promote hair growth? Well, I have 3 ways to show you today. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. Hey guys, lovely Lanya here. Welcome back, and if you are new here, welcome to my channel and thanks so much for stopping by today. So as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be showing you 3 ways to use aloe to promote hair growth. So I have a fresh aloe vera leaf. I normally buy them from Publix, but I took a chance at Walmart and I'm very satisfied with my leaf. Look how nice and juicy that looks. So I've already washed off my leaf just in case there was any dirt or any residue on it. I've already started cutting up my leaf, and I'm going to set those aside in some water so that some of the latex can separate from the gel. The latex causes itchiness to the scalp, so once you see that you have that yellow residue in there, that's how you know that your latex has separated. And then we're going to move on to taking off those prickly ends of the aloe vera leaf. So once I have all the sharp ends off, I'm just going to cut that leaf in half so that we can access the gel. So now that we have those all cut and separated, I'm just going to be using a spoon to scoop all of that gel off of the leaf. I use a spoon instead of a knife because it is very slippery and I don't want to risk cutting myself with the knife. So once I have all those scooped out, I'm just going to be using my hands just to squeeze the aloe and so I can access more gel like that. So I'm just going to do this for a couple of times and then I'm just going to let it sit until all of the gel drains from the strainer. So all of that is drained. This is what we're left with, and this is our aloe gel. Fresh aloe gel, there's nothing added to this. This is straight off the leaf. So now that we have full access to our gel, we're just going to start adding this and we're going to use it as a detangler. This is the first thing we're going to do. So I've had my braids in for maybe about a week now, and I want to detangle my hair before I begin to wash because it is wash day and I don't want to wash my hair while it's all tangled up, and it makes it easier for the wash day as well. So I'm just going to take out my hair. I'm going to apply the gel to my hair, and then I'm going to use my detangling brush to further detangle. So here I'm just applying that all over this section, and I'm going to make sure I get all of my hair strands, including my roots and scalp. And you want to make sure you get this on your scalp as well because it does promote hair growth. So you want to make sure that it hits the scalp as well. So I'm just massaging it in, making sure that it hits every strand. And then I'm going to use my dimming brush to detangle. Aloe has so much slip. As you can see, my brush is going to glide right through my hair, which I love so much about that. There's no knots, no tangles, anything. This is why I love aloe so much. So I'm just twisting off my hair and I'm just going to move on to the next section. We're going to repeat the same steps as we did for the first section. So while I repeat those steps, I just want to share with you some facts about aloe. Not only can you use aloe for your hair, but aloe vera also soothes the skin. It reduces redness, scaling, itching, and inflammation of the scalp. It helps to increase health of the scalp, moisturize, and penetrate deep into the skin. And my favorite, promotes hair growth. now that I finished detangling, we're going to move on to the second thing, and that's pre-pooing. Pre-pooing with aloe and my oil mixture is not only going to help with hair growth, but it's going to make my wash day 10 times easier. Pre-pooing with the aloe gel and also my mixture is going to help with stimulating the scalp. This is also going to help with softening the hair and making sure my hair is still moisturized. So once I've rinsed this out of my hair and following up with the shampoo, therefore the shampoo is not going to dry out my hair totally. So whenever I finish applying all the mixtures to my hair, I'm going to use a plastic bag to cover my head up for about maybe 30 minutes. And I'm going to let that sit there until then. And we'll rinse this out and then we'll begin our shampooing. So moving on to the third step, I'm taking another fresh aloe leaf and I'm just repeating the steps I showed you in the beginning of this video. But instead of keeping that thick gel consistency, I'm going to blend my aloe so that it becomes more water-based. So the reason to having this water-based is to use it as a leave-in conditioner. So here's my aloe gel separated from the leaf. I'm going to pour that into my blender and I'm going to blend that for about 30 seconds. So now that you have your aloe nice and blended, make sure that you strain it. Straining is very important because you don't want any of the pulp that's left from the aloe gel. I'm going to show you in just a few seconds here what could be left in your hair if you do not strain the aloe. So right here is you're gonna see all this thick consistency. You do not want that in your hair. It's hard to get out of your hair. I promise you, you don't want that in your hair. So now I'm just going to be adding some of my favorite oils, about 2 spoons of each oil that you're going to see here. And then we're just going to mix that together and we're going to transfer that into a spray bottle. So the oils that I'm going to be incorporating with my aloe is going to help with strengthening the hair, moisturizing the hair, adding shine, and also promotes hair growth. So I just poured my mixture from the bowl into a measuring cup so that it's a little bit easier to pour inside my bottle. So I went ahead and washed and deep conditioned my hair off camera just to save a little bit of time. And now we're going to apply our leave-in conditioner. So I normally apply my leave-in in the shower, but with the aloe it seems as it will give me the same benefits as I would if I would have put it in the shower. It's just that some of the leave-ins that I have or have used before previously, it just doesn't give my hair that extra moisture if I'm not in the shower as if I'm out of the shower. But the aloe actually helps with that because it's still very moisturizing. It has that thick consistency and that gel-like consistency. So I'm just going to be spraying that all over my hair but in sections, and I'm also going to add a leave-in cream. to just help with moisturizing, because I am going to be adding some braids to my hair, and I will be leaving this in for a few days, maybe a week or two, before taking my hair out again. So in that last clip, as you could see, that my hair is so bouncy, it's shiny, the curls are just popping, and that's with me having my aloe leave-in conditioner plus adding my leave-in cream. It just gives my hair, it just thrives so much after that aloe. I love aloe. I don't know if you guys have watched any of my previous videos that I've talked about aloe vera gel. It's such a game changer. If you have not jumped on this trail, what are you waiting for? Like, I'm telling you guys, you will not be disappointed if you try aloe. If you have not already, please jump on the train. You'll love it. I'm telling you, you'll love it. Not only do I use this as a leave-in conditioner, I also use it as like a daily moisturizer. I pretty much just spray this in my hair while it's in its protective style, and I'll add a little bit more oils to my scalp as well, and I just massage that in my hair every single day, and I just go about my day. But yeah, it helps so much with keeping my hair moisturized throughout the week, and I really don't have to do much moisturizing once I've done this. My hair is still pretty moisturized. I will follow up and let you guys see what my hair looks like maybe after a week or so. So I'll come back and I'll show you guys what my hair is looking like after a week of doing this leave-in treatment. Guys, just look at those curls. Check out that shine. Check out that bounce. I'm telling you, you cannot go wrong. I know I've said this repeatedly 1,000 times maybe, but you will not go wrong. Aloe vera is the truth. So I'm just finishing up my hair. I'm just gonna finish this braid off, and then what I'll do is cover my hair with a scarf. I'm gonna leave that in for about a week. As I said before, I will be back to show you guys if my hair is still moisturized after doing this treatment. And I just want to say thank you guys for watching this video. If you have not jumped on the aloe vera train, I suggest that you do. Also, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you come back for a second part. See you next time, guys. Bye.